This is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to claim the CASETiFY warranty. Please follow the 3 simple instructions written on our website to successfully make the CASETiFY warranty claim. In the first step, you will learn how to contact CASETiFY's customer service team. The following steps are related to returning the products. Below those steps, 2 types of contact details are provided: email and the physical address of the office. The contact option is located at the bottom of the official website of CASETiFY. As soon as you click the link www.casetify.com, it begins with FAQs and a contact form. The contact form requires personal information, the order number, and the file to be uploaded. Make sure that you fill in every single detail in the form. The remedy for your warranty-related issue is replacement after they verify the provided information in the form. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.